welcome back to our channel. This session I am going to discuss about 2 to 4 decoder cycle. So how to write the Verilog HDL program for 2 to 4 decoder cycle. So before I start to write the program, first I clearly draw the block diagram, then truth table. After that, logical diagram for the truth table. So first I draw the block diagram. Block diagram for 2:4 decoder circuit. So it's a simple block diagram. 2 to 4 decoder circuit. Now we assign the input values. It has a 3 input that namely called as A0, A1, enable. So this enable is a control signal. When enable value equal to 0, decoder is activate. Suppose enable value equal to 1, this case deactivate. So A0 and A1 is the primary input values, and output of decoder is, it releases the 4 output that namely called as D0, D1, D2, D3. So after drawing the block diagram, now we go for write the truth table. Truth table. First write the input values enable, A1, A0, output values D3, D2, D1, D0. So in this all the cases enable value should be 0. 0. The combinations of inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So it releases the 4 combinations of input. These 4 combinations enable value should be 0. Now we check the output values. So A0 and A1 value, both the values are 0, 0. Now select the output is D0. So D0 value is 0. Remaining all the 3 outputs set to be 1 because it's an active low signal. The next condition 0, 1. So in this case D1 is selected, remaining all the outputs are set to be 1. Then 1, 0. So in this case only D2 activate, remaining all the outputs are set to be 1. Final one 1, 1. So here D3 is selected, remaining all the outputs are set to be 1. So this is the truth table for 2 to 4 decoder circuit. So after framing the truth table, now we go to draw the logical diagram. Logical diagram. So first input is enable, next one A1, A0. So this one is called as enable bar, E bar. This one is called as A1 bar. This one called as A0 bar. The input of the logical diagram is enable, A1, A0. So after getting the complement of this NOT output, E bar, A1 bar and A0 bar. So first you take this condition enable bar, A1 bar, A0 bar. So in this case let's select D0. So D0 only select, remaining all the outputs so deactivate. The next condition A0 bar, A1 bar and A0. So output of NAND gate is D1. Third is enable bar, A1, A naught bar. So output of NAND gate is D2. So final one is enable bar A1, A naught. Output of NAND gate is D3. So it's a logical diagram for 2 to 4 decoder cycle. So after framing these three things, block diagram, truth table and logical diagram, now we can write the program very easily. First you declare the module, then module name. So module name is 2 to 4 decoder. Then you declare the input and output variables. So first I declare the input EN, enable signal. Then next input is 1:0 A. So this 1:0 represent for vector. Here we using the variable A0 and A1. So two variables. So only I have here pausing 1:0 A. Then output. So it produces the 4 output signal. Here also using the vector signal 3:0 D. So these are the input and output signal for 2 to 4 decoder cycle. Then we declare the wire signal. So here wire signal is E bar, A1 bar and A0 bar. So these three signals are called as wire signal. E bar, comma, A1 bar, comma, A0 bar. So these are the wire signals. So after declaring the wire signal and the input and output signal, now we go to take the functions. So first you consider the NOT 1. So this is the first NOT gate, second NOT gate and third NOT gate. So NOT operation of first NOT gate, NOT of 0, 1. So first you write the output value. So output value for NOT 1, E bar. Follow that you write the input variables. So EN. This is the first NOT gate operation. Then you take it as second NOT gate. So NOT of 2. The output value is A1 bar. So input of the NOT 2 gate is A1. Follow that you write the third NOT gate. So third NOT gate output is A0 bar. So input of the third NOT gate is A0. So now the NOT gate function is over. So far we declaring the NOT operations, NOT of 1, NOT of 2 and NOT of 3 gates. Now we go to declare the NAND operations. So NAND, take it as first NAND gate, NAND 1. Then first you write the output values. So output value is D0. Follow that you write the input values. E bar, A1 bar, comma, A0 bar. So first NAND gate declaration part over. Then we go to declare the second NAND gate. NAND of 2, output is D1. Input of this second NAND gate is E bar, A1, A1 bar, then A0. So second NAND gate declaration over. Then we go to declare the third NAND gate. NAND of 3, outputs D2, inputs of E bar, then A1, A0 bar. So third NAND gate declaration over. Final NAND gate is NAND 4, output is D3, inputs of E bar, A1, A naught. So there is no more gates in the logical diagram. So declaration part is over. Finally, you write the n module. So n module. This is a simple program for 2 to 4 decoder cycle. So before you write the program, first you clearly draw the block diagram. So based on the block diagram, you can make it as the truth table. So after drawing the truth table, you can convert the truth table into logical diagram. So this logical diagram is converted into Verilog HDL program. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel.